How to build a business website. Your small business need a website. Here how to build one. Building a small business website is important to inform your audience, explain your value proposition, boost brand recognition, and drive sales. To build a business website, you first need to choose a domain name and a secure web hosting. Then optimize your website to improve your search engine ranking and drive traffic. Keep your website up to date and optimize for mobile device. Also ensure your site speed is adequate to improve your search engine ranking. This article is for small business owner looking to build a website or improve upon their existing websites. Essential tool to start your website for 2021. Monday.com project management, Blue Shot web hosting, domain.website domain hosting, and secure payment processing. Please visit these website. It's no longer possible to run a business, even a brick and mortar one, without a web presence. Consumer turn to the internet for everything from product research to location and operating hours. Even just a simple well design website can give you an edge in your field. And if you have product apply and easily. Website design software has evolved to be easy for anyone to use. You don't need to know coding to develop an interactive and functional site. No matter what program you use, you just need to follow some basic rules and tips to give your website a professional look. Make it easy to find and show your company in the best light. Here our step-by-step guide to creating a successful business website. Determine the primary purpose of your website. A business website generally serve as a space to provide general information about your company or a direct platform for a commerce. Whatever you create, a simple website that tell a little about your company or a more complex commerce site. The most important thing you must do, say what your company does. On the home page, in plain terms, don't make customer root around to discover if your company can do what they need. Warn and appeal. A website design company flow bright. Editor note: looking for the bright website design serve for your business. Fill out the below question to have our vendor partner contact you about your need. Think about your specific user experience and the journey the user will go through as they navigate your site. Added Gabriel Shualian, CEO of website design and digital marketing agency Blue Fountain Media. Whatever the fundamental goal of your website is or whatever the focus may be, user should be easily able to achieve it, and the goal itself should be reinforced as user navigate throughout your site. If you don't plan to accept payment through your website, you won't have as much work to do in setting it up. If you are a retailer or a service provider and want to offer customer the option to pay online, you will need to use an external service to receive your payment, which we'll discuss later in their article. Decide your domain name. Your domain name is one of the most important feature of your website. It is the URL you will share with your potential client and promote on your social media. Therefore, you want it to be descriptive and easy to remember and type it. Try to keep it short and steer clear of abbreviation, acronyms, and number. If possible, to avoid customer confusion, you also need to decide your top level domain or TLD. This is the suffix at the end of your domain name, such as .com, .net, or .biz. However, grown in recent years, these TLD can be based on location such as size or type of business like marketing agency or low, while these can be descriptive. .com is still the main go to. Read our article on choosing a non-traditional TLD for more information. Once you have selected your domain name, you will need to confirm its availability and purchase it through a domains registered These are some popular domain registered: domain.com, GoDaddy, Squarespace, Wix. As you select your new domain name, check copyright to click sure you are not infringing on anyone else's protected names. If you preferred URL is already taken, you can also the company using it and ask to buy it from them. Reach out to the owner of your desired and domain name. This service costs around $70 per domain. Choose number 3, a web host. Every website need a host or server where all its data is stored for the public to access at all times. Hosting your own website is probably too large and expensive for your small business, so you need to select an external host depending on your budget. Different routes are to share web host. Dedicated hosting costs significantly more, but it means that you get your own private server and won't have to compete with other sites that could drag down your speed. Some web builder platforms such as Squarespace and Wix include web hosting in their monthly package. These are some options for web hosting service. A2 hosting. A2 hosting offer both shared and dedicated hosting option. New customer can require a light hosting plan which is sufficient for some small business for a little as $3.91 per month for the first year. DreamHost offer three hosting plan tailored for Press website: DreamPress, DreamPress Plus, and DreamPress Pro. Costs generally start at $16.95 per month. This web hosting company is known for cloud hosting and offer other cloud-based options such as server and site backup plan and capability vary, but it plan typically begin at $15 per month. If you are looking for free website hosting option, it is important to remember that hosting a website is by no means free for the company. Therefore, they may employ other methods such as placing banner ad and your website to compensate for the free hosting. When choose a host, consider how well that host can answer questions about its server location and availability, said Jim Chewy from Chief Scientist and Cloud-Based Internet Performance Companies. It's good to ask, can you show me how choose you are to major market and a customer are going to be in? Chewy said any good hosting provider should have the tool to show you measurement of their performance, or as your business grow, as you find that you need to upgrade to a different web host.